Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving a majority element. We are given an array of size n and we need to find the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Also, the problem guarantees that a majority elements always exist. Example, if we take input 3, 2, 3, then the output is 3. If we take input 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, then the output is 2. Now let's talk about the approach. A simple approach would be used a hash map to count frequencies, but that takes extra space. The problem asks for O(n) time and O(n) space. So we use the Moore's voting algorithm. Moore's voting algorithm. The idea of this approach is we can maintain a candidate and a count. We iterate through the array. If count becomes 0, we choose the current element as the new candidate. If the current element equals the candidate, increment the count. Otherwise, decrement the count. The majority elements appear more than the half time, so it can never be completed cancelled out by other elements. Now, let's talk about the code. Now we take our two variable. First of all, here I can take a count variable for frequency counter, and the other variable is here candidate gives a potential majority elements. Now we run a loop through each element with the help of for loop. For here, here we take a conditions. If no current candidate, then pick a new candidate. Now take another conditions. If num equal to candidate, if same as candidate, then increase count, otherwise decrease count. Now return the answer. If final candidate is the majority element, so we return the answer here. Now first we can explain one more time the code. Here we can initialize a count equal to 0 and candidate equal to 0, and traverse each element in the array. If the count becomes 0, pick a new candidate. If the element matches candidate, increase count, otherwise decrease count. At the end, the candidate will be the majority elements. So let's test the code first, then submit it. Here you can see the all test case will be passed. Now submit the code. Here you can see the LeetCode will accept our code. So the time complexity is O(n) and the space complexity is O(1). No extra space is used, just two variables. And you can take my tips also. Here, whenever you can see the elements appear more than n by 2 times, then think of Moore's voting algorithm. It is a very important interview patterns. It is very important for interview patterns. Thank you.